Welcome back, ladies and gents. Today I'm going to be showing how I sow geranium F2 mixed. First of all, get your seed tray, fill it with compost and give it a slight tap down. This is a compost that I microwaved yesterday to kill any bugs and any creepy crawlers in there. Once you've got your seed tray up to the correct height, give it a little tap down with your hand, like so. Take your seeds. There's only 20 in here, but I think the packet was only £1, so 20 seeds for £1. That's what it says. So, like 20 to me. Anyway, here we go. Just sprinkle them gently, spread them out as evenly as you can. These need to be at a temperature roughly 18 to 21. You should start to germinate 7 to 14 days hopefully. So once they're sown on there like that, get your compost, a thin layer over the top, like so, and give them a good water and put them on the windowsill, keep them warm. So that's how I sow geranium F2 mix. Good luck, folks, and let me know how you get on. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be potting on these geraniums. As you can see, they've all taken really well. When you handle them, always handle them by one of the first leaves, not the true leaves, the first leaves. And if you damage them, you're not going to cause a lot of damage, they're going to grow back. So once you've got them like that, I've used a potting mix that's got a high peat content. So, like so, bit of compost on the top, gently fill them in like that. Just carry on like that. Quite simple, quite easy. So, make the hole like so. Nice bit of compost. As you can see, really good root system in that one. Into the pot. These will look wonderful in my hanging baskets, that's why I'm growing them this year. There were 20 in the packet and all 20 have germinated, which I think's got to do with my artificial lights. I've never had that many germinate before. So, right. As you can see, down to my last 3. So, here we go. In the pot, like I said, this has got a high peat content. It's also got a slow release fertiliser, which is supposed to last the plants for up to 6 weeks. These will need repotting very soon under the grow lights, so this should be perfect for my hanging baskets. Here we go. The last one. Once this is done, give them a good water. Like so. And so watered back under the grow lights, which I can't wait. So that's potting on my geraniums, growing from seed. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. Thank you very much. Okay, bye. Gentlemen, just a quick catch up on my geraniums that I've grown from seed this year. Show them the ones in the garden. These are the ones I rescued from the hanging baskets last year. As you can see, looking well. But look at that little pest there. I should have noticed that. There's a little insect that actually is in the middle of that. The name escapes me at the moment, but it'll come to me. But all I'll do with that is just get the hose pipe on and just wash it off. So as you can see, they've done really well. And I've not fed as much as I normally do this year, because they're normally 2 or 3 times bigger than this. Because the hanging baskets were later going up, but I'm looking forward to naming these. That's gorgeous. Lovely. With the rain and that, it's as though it's washed some of the colour out of the petals. But there were 20, I think I got 21 that grew out of 21 seeds, so I did really well. That's only because I had a grow light. You can see slug pellets that had to be used. These are organic ones, so they should be good, but I try not to use any. That little pest down there, there's not, no, not there. So I'll get these watered and fed again. And I've never grown the ivy leaf ones, as you can see. They do actually like ivy. So I'll pop these on a few days. I do like that colour, that's absolutely beautiful. And it's really jazzy, that colour. So then I have got, where else is in here? I think that's about it. Oh, there's some of the hanging baskets here. Gorgeous colour. And behind you, 2 seconds. Yep, look at that one there. That's a really deep red. That reminds me of the 50s and 60s when they used to be all over in council parks and stuff like that. These get a lot bigger as they grow. But I've thrown the middle out there just to let them send out some side shoots. Ivy one there as well. Any questions I hesitate to ask. I feed them on a mixture between tomato food and an high nitrogen feed. You get the hang of it. You soon learn what you get best out when you feed them. Any questions I hesitate to ask. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe. Good day, thank you, bye.